Hi guys, welcome back to Ronin Tactical for another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Shadowhawk X800 flashlight. This, I think, is probably the best flashlight you can get for under £30. I currently use it in my EDC. I bought two of them now, one for law enforcement, one for just EDC. So yeah, it's going to be a quick video explaining what it is, what features it's got. I've also done a test so you can see how bright it is in night and that sort of thing. But yeah, so let's get into it. So Shadowhawk is basically a torch company. They produce military grade torches, boasted for their 2-year warranty and super bright and capable torches. This one is the X800, which is their compact one. It's 1300 lumen, has a range of approximately 2.5 football pitches as stated on the website. The best part about it is that you have a adjustable focus which enables you to basically adjust the focus, the length of which the torch can shine. I found this really useful both at work and just in every day really. Being able to extend the distance that your torch is visible is exceptionally useful when trying to cover large areas. This one in particular is waterproof, as well as shockproof. It's made of aviation grade aluminum, and yeah, and in your hand it feels nice and heavy, substantial. You've got a serrated tip here, which it states is in use of emergency, able to smash windows, that sort of thing. Also just gives it a bit more protection for the lens. But yeah, like I said, I've had two of these now. I still have two of them. They're used day in, day out. They offer a rechargeable battery, but also the option to run 3 AAAs. I've opted for the rechargeable battery, which is just accessed through here. As you can see, we've got the waterproof seal, and this is the Shadowhawk battery. It's good for about 6 hours on a medium brightness, but I seem to have got much more than that because it's been about 3 months since I've charged it. In the box, you get a charger for both this battery and also a car charger as well. A USB charger is also available, which is always useful. But yeah, I'm going to insert a clip showing how bright it is. There are also 3 modes that it does. This is the on button here, clearly. 1 click gives you your standard brightness. 2 clicks gives you a slightly lower intensity. 2 clicks again gives you a strobe effect. This is good for warning traffic and that sort of thing if you're at an RTC or road accident. 2 click again and we have SOS Morse code, which is good in a survival situation. People will see that and will recognise it. It's good for signalling. Again, like this will last well over 6 hours. So yeah, that's it guys. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We've got plenty more videos like this on various bits of kit coming, and I do test them all every day to make sure that they are up to scratch before I recommend them to you guys. So yeah, if you like that sort of thing, make sure you subscribe to Ronin Tactical, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.